My name is Heidi V, and I am a family nurse practitioner through Mayo Clinic Health System. I run the Express Clinic here at Bethany with 2 other providers. This is a brand new, beautiful clinic. It was renovated in Luther Hall, and it is a collaboration between Bethany Lutheran College and Mayo Clinic Health System to provide express clinic care to students and staff that are working and living on campus. I think the space is so much nicer for patients to come in and have more confidential and private clinic experience with multiple exam rooms. They come in with a variety of concerns, whether it be an injury, an illness, and all of this has been improved with a nice clinic space that actually feels like a clinic, and it is just a really good experience for them. We're available 7:45 to 9:45, Monday through Friday. We enjoy being busy. Remember, it is a free service as part of your tuition package and benefits as a staff member. So just come on in, and if you just want to question whether or not it's something that you can be seen at the Express Clinic versus a family practice, just come in and ask us and we'll let you know. We're excited.